everyone, it's Naoise here from MACA, and today is Paddy's Day, which is actually the 1-year anniversary of when we came home from America, only to find out that there was no gigs for the rest of the year. So this is such a big deal for us to be performing tonight for you guys. Hello everyone, it's Ciara from MACA, and happy St. Patrick's Day to you all. Can't wait to be performing for you all tonight, and hope you have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. Hi everybody, it's Saoirse here from MACA. Hope you're doing well. I just wanted to pop on and say that I'm super excited for tonight's gig on St. Patrick's Day with Irish Music Magazine, and we'll see you all there. Deadly stuff. Thanks a million everybody for joining us. It's Saoirse, Naoise and Ciara here from MACA, and before we go anywhere, it's a massive thank you to Robert Houston and of course the whole team at Irish Music Magazine for having us here today on Paddy's Day, which is a fantastic day. To think that this time last year we were on a plane home to Ireland after being kicked out of the country over in the States, and now here we are playing an owl gig for all our friends and family in the States and all our fans here. All over the world, exactly. Yeah. And I know you haven't seen us in a very long time, and we're just glad to be back.
That's because we've just been powering through making plans for Paddy's Day, so this is going to be the best Paddy's Day.
Tell you, the garage has never looked better. It definitely has, and this is the swaggiest setup. Have to give it to Mammy now. She outdid herself with all the black sheets. Ciara, how are you feeling about Paddy's Day today?
I'm feeling spectacular.
Spectacular. Spectacular. Never better. All right, okay, folks. So we are going to start off things with an old Irish song, because what else would you be doing on Paddy's Day? Absolutely. So this one is one of our favourites, and it's called Shularoon, and I'm sure if you've seen us before, you've heard us play this. And it just means walk, my love. And will we give it a go? Oh, also, there's an out tune in the middle of that. Naoise, do you want to explain that one?
Right, yeah, this one's from, you might recognise it from The Last of the Mohicans.
I actually wasn't going to give away the name. I was just going to let them guess it.
Right, comment below what you think it is.
If you know
what it's called.
Alright, will we go?
Yeah.
I wish I was on yonder hill, and 'tis there I'd sit and I'd cry my fill, till every tear would turn a mill. It's the way that waiting sun. Shul, na ruin, shul ga sakir ga shul
that mystery too.
I'll dye my petticoats, I'll dye them red, and round the world I beg my bread, until my parents should wish me dead. It's the day you without waiting for one. Shul, 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 naruin, shul ga sakira ga shul ga kyun, ga shul al ga dersa ga sileglum. It's the day you without waiting for one. Shul, shul, naruin, shul ga sakira ga shul ga kyun, ga shul al ga dersa ga sileglum. It's the day you without waiting for one. And now my love has gone to France for his fortune to advance. If the year come back, 'tis but a chance. It's the day you without waiting for one. Shul, 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 naruin, shul ga sakira ga shul ga kyun, shul al ga dersa ga sileglum. It's the day you without waiting for one. Hup. Shul, 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 naruin, shul ga sakira ga shul ga kyun, ga shul al ga dersa ga sileglum. It's the day you without waiting slow. My who. Ian talk ar fud.
Wow.
You can't go wrong with the bit of Gaeilge.
You know, Ciara, I was just thinking
On
there
Paddy's
during
Day.
that. How did we go so long without you on the barrel, eh?
I honestly don't know.
No, you see, she was playing. You see, she didn't slip up not once.
No, not even once. You wouldn't have even noticed.
No,
Even if you did.
No. Actually, we only had an interview the other day about this, didn't we? About Ciara just unnecessarily baiting the Bowron. But it's part of the charm.
Which you've probably noticed if you've joined us at all
It's the
over
MACA
last
recipe,
year.
what can you say? Right, I actually got a phone call from Robert during the week and he requested a tune and I honestly thought he was joking because if you've seen any of our live streams before, you know that myself and Ciara do give Naoise a bit of hassle about this one, even though it is her favourite. Really? So when Robert called...
That's why we give her a hassle, because it's her favourite.
Because it's her
Could be any
favourite.
tune, really.
But then Robert called and actually requested it and I thought he was having a laugh. But here it is, Robert, so don't say we didn't try. We're doing this for you. Because
my good old favourite.
Because everybody knows myself and Ciara wouldn't have picked it. But this one is Maggie's Pancakes.
Right, so we're going to do Maggie's Pancakes into MacArthur's Road into another lovely tune called Splendid Isolation. So you all right for the keys now, Saoirse?
I am.
Okay, yeah.
I'm always on me again.
Here we go.
Go first.
Haven't played this one in a while, actually.
I know. Make sure that. 1, 2, 3, and... actually. Apart from the first tune, that actually wasn't too bad.
Thanks very much. Nothing better than a set of tunes now to get you in the...
No, not at all. But you know what we haven't done is one of our own songs. And as you all know, we have released a single there. Not a single, a whole album. A whole album there. Not too long ago. Fair play to us. A few months back, and it's called Spiral. So we might as well sing the first single that we released. And it's called Call on You. And I'm sure there's going to be a link above, like if you want to buy
CDs
the
and
CD
all that.
and all. But we'll get to that later. Anyway, this one's called Call on You.
Our debut single. Debut.
Ready? Oh, happy Patrick's Day. Anyway.
I know that you'd be lying if you said that you're taking this well. Because I haven't seen you in a while, and I know I'm struggling too. And it's hard to fake a smile when you feel like it's all going wrong. Like me, you're sitting here wondering what's going on. We're all looking for someone to guide us through when I've lost my way, or want to lean on to. And I can't be sure what the morning brings, but I know that I can call on you. Then remember all the things that now I just can't do. And I find it hard to think about the future now, because now I'm unsure and left here stressing it out. We're all looking for someone to guide us through when I've lost my way, want to lean on to. And I can't be sure what the morning brings, but I know that I can call on you. I call your name when it's dark. Your light's my flame. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? We're all looking for someone to guide us through when I've lost my way, or want to lean on to. And I can't be sure what the morning brings, but I know that I can call on you.
Yo, another one for the book.
Another banger.
Another bop.
That was spectacular.
Spectacular.
Is that the word of the day?
That is the word of the day for Paddy's
Very
Day. Yeah, so that was our single there that didn't go too badly. Ciara, you sang a bit of harmony, which is always cool, you know.
So fair play to you.
So fair play to you for doing that. And of course, the bar on ever present. The bar. Okay, I tell you what we're going to do. While we're on a roll with our own stuff, how about we give the audience an old treat on
An old
Paddy's
set of
Day.
tunes?
An old set of tunes
One
composed
of my
by
tunes?
yours truly. Yes.
Absolutely.
What do you think?
Do you know what? We'll do double time.
I like it.
Let's just pick it up now.
So crazy, it just might work.
It's Paddy's Day, folks.
It is Paddy's
Get
Day.
in the spirit. Let's do it.
Come on.
Come on then.
Oh, I start this. Go on. What? That actually is meant to finish like that, so just in case anybody thought that was a mistake. That's the actual way it finishes.
So as they say, expect the unexpected.
Guys, thanks a million for all coming in. There is a load of you in, and we're absolutely delighted to have you here on Paddy's Day. And we're a better place to be than on Irish Music Magazine's Facebook page with MACA. Let us know where you're listening in from and what time it is over there, because honestly my timing is very, very bad.
In music and just general knowledge.
So if you do have to watch me at 6 o'clock in the morning, I apologise.
Fair play to you.
Fair play, and I apologise. But I hope you're having a great Patrick's Day, and it's not too early to start drinking if that's what you're wondering.
We don't condone that.
We don't condone that, but it's not. Anyway, so I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to sing an owl song for you now, which is one that I refused to do for a long, long time. And then I decided...
Regrettably so.
Regrettably so, because it turned out, you know what, I'm actually pretty good at this one. This one is called Beeswing, and yeah, it's actually a great song. So
Saoirse has her braces on now, so it's Beeswing.
It is Beeswing. So it should be, yeah. So
let's go.
Guys, comment below if you like the braces.
Trying out a new
If
look.
you don't, it's too late.
If there's enough shares on this, I actually might get a discount. Like, I'll direct you to where I'm getting them.
I'm going to try out this look for next year and see how it goes.
Yeah. Okay, this is Beeswing, okay? Alright, enough of that nonsense on Paddy's Day. Come on. 1, 2, 3,
I was 19 when I came to town. They call it the summer of love. They were burning babies, burning flags of hearts against the doors. And I took a job in the same way down on Calandron Street, and I fell in love with the laundry girl that was working next to me. Brown hair zigzagged across her face and a look half surprised, like a fox caught in the headlights. There was animal in her eyes. She said to me, "Oh, can't you see I'm not the factory kind? And if you don't get me out of here, I'll surely lose my mind." But she was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath the wind might blow her away. And she was a lost child, oh, she was running wild. She said, "As long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. And you wouldn't want me any other way." And we bust around the market towns and pick for down in Kent, and we would tinker lamps and pots and knives wherever we went. And they said that we might settle down and get a few acres dug, with the fire burning in the hearth and babies on the road. She said to me, "You foolish man, that surely sounds like hell. You might be Lord of half the word, but you'll not own me as well." And she was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath the wind might blow her away. And she was a lost child, oh, she was running wild. She said, "As long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. And you wouldn't want me any other way." And boys, last year she's sleeping rough back in Derby Beat, with a white horse in her hip pocket and a wolfhound at her feet. And they say that she'd been married once to a man named Romany Brown, but even a gypsy caravan is too much like settling down. You ready, Ciara? And they say her rose is faded, hard weather and hard booze. Who's the braces? Maybe that's the price you pay for the chains that you refuse. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath the wind might blow her away. And she was a lost child, oh, she was running in wild. She said, "As long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. And you wouldn't want me any other way." She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath the wind might blow her away. And she was a lost child, Oh, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. And you wouldn't want me any other way.
Yep.
Truly
Deadly.
spectacular.
Truly. I hear Ciara now.
Ciara, come on now. Find another word.
That was Ciara's favourite song. Actually, Ciara taught me how to sing that. Because that last part I just kept making up different.
When she was only a child.
But I was only a young one.
remember it well.
And
remember it well.
yeah. You know what they say about Ciara? She was the only snake that St. Patrick forgot to get rid of.
Saoirse, come on.
That was.
gone.
I made that up on the spot. Would you
gone
believe
with
it?
you.
I made that up on the spot.
Lads, no, the cringe has to stop.
That's terrible.
I had to make a reference to it, and I was going. It was either you or Ciara, so just be glad it was Ciara. Anyway, how are you feeling? A bit blue, maybe, is it?
Bluesy.
A little bit bluesy,
I'm
right?
feeling a bit blue. You
I
feel?
think we should do a few tunes. What do you think? Actually, sure, it's our Patrick's Day extravaganza. We
It's
might
a
as
Paddy's
well.
Day miracle.
Exactly.
That's what
It is. So we're going to get Ciara on the whistle. Very rarely seen guys like snakes. You don't see them anymore.
Not here.
Not here. You,
No,
but
no.
you will see Ciara
Playing it to the whistle.
But let me
But
tell
you-
you, the only snake able to play a whistle.
only
Here we go.
Right, this one is called Something Blue. It was composed by our very own Ciara after a lot of fighting and a lot of hours of
lot of
putting in the
thinking.
effort. And yeah, so this one's called Something Blue, guys. It's available on our album Spiral. And let's give it a go. What do you think?
So bluesy. So bluesy. Don't let us down now.
Huh?
Something blue.
Something.
Something.
Yeah.
Ciara.
You laugh now.
Wait till those braces come off. And
I'm
she's
here.
the best looking one out.
And I'm the and I'm the one with the pearly whites. All right. Anyway, let's go, Saoirse. One. That was not too bad, Ciara, considering you played that on the whistle. Like, that could have gone either way,
That
you
could have
know?
gone a lot worse.
It could have.
It could have.
But I
For
thought it
sure.
went actually fairly well. So thanks, St. Patrick, for that magic there.
What a miracle.
What a miracle.
He feels bad for clearing off the rest
Don't
of my
take
kind.
away this snake just yet.
This one's okay.
It's all right, guys. We're sisters. We're
vaccination.
sisters.
All right, okay, so I'll tell you what, we are going to stop chatting now and we're going to sing a song. And this is one of our father's favourites. And then it turns out that after we sang it, a lot of people liked it then as well. So it's not just my dad's cringy taste. It actually turns out to be...
How dare you?
Well,
Actually, I think the word two words you're looking for is crowd pleaser.
Crowd, that's it. That's
Crowd
fair.
pleaser.
There you go. Well, anyway, people ended up liking it, so let's give this one a go. It's by the fabulous Waterboys, and this one is called Fisherman's Blues. Don't stop here, guys. Come on. You ready? Yeah. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3,
Oh, I wish I was a fisherman, tumbling on the seas, far away from dry land and its bitter memories, casting out my sweet line with the abandonment and love. The ceiling staring down on me, say the starry sky above with light in my head. You in my arms, ooh. Oh, I wish I was a brakeman on a hurtling fever train, crashing headlong to the heart of land like a cannon in the rain, with the beating of the sleepers and the burning of the coal, counting towns flashing by me in a night that's full of soul, with light in my head, you in my arms, ooh.
Take it away, piano man.
Oh, I know I will be loosened from the bonds that hold me fast, and the chains that hung around me will fall away at last. And on the fine and faithful day, I will take thee in my hands. I will ride a train, and I will be a fisherman with light in my head, and you in my arms, ooh. With light in my head, and you in my arms.
Huzzah, huzzah. Yes, so that's a Deli Out song called Fisherman's Blues for Daddy. And so I think it's time to move on and play a few traditional tunes, because what we do play all of our own stuff and the modern stuff. It's Paddy's Day.
So
Bring it back to the classics.
Absolutely.
Take it back. What have you got, Naoise?
Classics. Well, actually, I'm dying to play this one because we haven't played it in ages with Ciara. Do you know Nightcap, Ciara? You're bumped that one. You're gonna do that
daunting.
first, right?
Daunch.
Frank's, which you can't. Oh, Daunch, that's the word. Yeah. Frank's, you can't beat that tune. Lovely one in A. And we're gonna do another one then called the Old Hag of Galway.
Is this the Naoise Reviews tune?
G
classic
minor.
tune? You can't beat it. And 22, Key to the Door. This one's
2 and 2.
Frank's.
It's a quick corner with Naoise. Let's go.
Right, here we go.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Driver like you saw her.
Oh, Paddy. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we're not.
Hey,
2,
3, up. Work through the pain.
We're meant
for the stage, I'm telling you. We're just built for it.
That wasn't too bad. You saved yourself there from the first one.
I definitely
that
did.
was a bit crusty, to be fair. But
that was not a Paddy Sale miracle.
that was not, definitely not. So we should do another. How many of our own songs have we done? Probably only like
fair
one.
few.
No, it's only one.
Oh, songs, yeah.
Yeah, so I think we should do another one of ours. If I do say so myself, I hope everybody at home is enjoying themselves. And I'm sorry, you can just mute it for this one if you want. And
About 3.5 minutes.
it's about. I'll let you know when I'm finished. I'll make a hand signal. But this one is called "Feel Like Home," and
You know what though? It's like, as you said earlier, a whole year to the day that we came home to Ireland. So this next song is very appropriate. Feels like home.
and it still feels like home when
It
we
still
came
does
back.
feel like home.
Still felt like
crazy.
home. Right, here we go. And the first line goes.
I know
No.
you carry.
1, 2, 3.
You carry the weight of the world on your back. It's like you're always set on goal. Oh, we're running ahead, no time to look back. Trying to keep up, they talk too slow. But you feel like home. Yeah, you feel like home. And where you run, I will follow. 'Cause you feel like home. You're always making plans, always something to prove. I've never seen you rest easy. But when time slows down and no one's around, we're left staring at the ground. But you feel like home. Yeah, you feel like home. Where you run, I will follow. 'Cause you feel like home. And I'll always be the same. 'Cause we know no other way. I hope you never change. 'Cause you feel like home. Yeah, you feel like home. And where you run, I will follow. 'Cause you feel like home. Oh yeah, you feel like home. Yeah, you feel like home. And where you run, I will follow. 'Cause you feel like home. Home.
Woo!
Well, there you
Dad,
go.
don't even look at me.
Oh no, Ciara,
Cut.
we all heard it.
Cut. Now you can come back in, guys. It's okay.
We heard it, Ciara.
Yeah, so that was Feel Like Home.
Yeah.
So make sure that you check out the really good version that's on the CD. That
It's-
one is pitch
Other
perfect.
people don't mess it up.
That one is pitch perfect.
Sounds nothing like
Look at
it.
me.
It's great. Great cover.
Yeah.
So, guys, we actually don't have that much time left.
We don't.
No.
So far, I do hope you're having an absolutely wonderful Patrick's Day, wherever you are. And just know that we are delighted to be here today to perform for you. And this has really brightened our Patrick's Day anyway. That's
Yeah,
for
absolutely.
sure.
Sure.
That is for sure.
We definitely topped last year's.
Definitely top last year's. Exactly. So I was thinking, Naoise, we'll bring it back to the old classics.
Yeah, you know what? I think we'll do one more song, one more tune.
Handy. Yeah. Yeah. I could do
We'll
that. I could do
spoil
that.
you. So, yeah.
Yeah? What are you going to do? I didn't know who she was talking to there. I was All right, Naoise, what tune are you thinking? Or a song? What do you want to do?
Which one do you want to finish on?
Do you know what? Naoise's not going to make up her mind.
No.
Guys, we can't finish off Patrick's Day without doing our number one
Don't
hit.
tell him. We have to do a tune first, and then tell him the.
Right,
Okay, then, Ciara.
Main
Fine then,
attraction.
Ciara. All right,
Ciara.
okay.
If they're not tuning out.
Right,
like-
let's do Toss the Feathers then.
Okay.
Happy Patrick's Day, guys. Happy birthday, Patrick. Sorry your party's so lame. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and... 1, 2, 3, up! Deadly stuff. All
Tell
right,
you one
guys.
thing, that certainly was spectacular.
Here, I don't know what you're getting with this. At least put a hashtag in front of it and make a trend. Just don't keep saying it.
Sponsored word. Or something.
I don't
I'm actually getting paid to say this.
Are you? Yeah. All right, guys. It's been an absolutely fantastic day having you all here with us for Patrick's Day. I can't think of anywhere else I would rather be than on Irish Music Magazine's Facebook page, performing for you all live. There is more acts on all day, basically, and you could throughout the whole day, and you can go back and you can watch this again later on if you want, if you're feeling,
and enjoy it all over again.
But guys, a massive thank you to Irish Music Magazine and Robert Houston for having us here, our fantastic crew here, and of course Ciara, who decided to clean herself today and show up.
Very special day.
Very special.
We've had a ball.
We really do. So before we go, we are going to sing you one more song, and it just wouldn't be a MACA gig unless we did it.
You already know what it is.
You already know. We saved the best for last. Our first number one hit, going on 20 years now, and this is Chef Mary. All right, let's go on, Ciara. You start us off.
Guys, ready for this?
Do it for Patrick.
I don't think you
Do
are.
it for you, Patty.
In the village of Kilgorey, there's a maiden young and fair. Her eyes they shone like diamonds, she had long and golden hair. Then a countryman came riding up to her father's gate, mounted on a milk white stallion. He came at the stroke of fate. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Sip it up, Mary, if you can. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Sip it up, Mary, if you can. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the country. Go on. Daughter Mary had the golden hair. I have gold and I have silver. I have land beyond compare. I will buy her silks and satin and the gold ring for her hand. I will buy for her a mansion. She'll have servants to command. So sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Sip it up, Mary, if you can. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Sip it up, Mary, if you can. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman. But kind sir, I love another. I have pledged to him my hand. I don't want your gold or silver. I don't want your house or land. Mary's father spoke up sharply. You will do as you were told. You will have his house and silver. You will wear his ring of gold. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Sip it up, Mary, if you can. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Sip it up, Mary, if you can. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Show you. Go on, Naoise. Go thing. Kilgorey, there's a deep stream running by. Found Mary there at midnight, she drowned her soldier boy. In the village there is music you can hear. Her father says, sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Sunday is your wedding day. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Sip it up, Mary, if you can. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Sip it up, Mary, if you can. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs. One more time, it's Paddy's Day. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Sip it up, Mary, if you can. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Sip it up, Mary, if you can. Sip it up, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman.
Good morning, everybody. Happy St. Patrick's Day, Law, Phil, Padraig, and a big massive thank you to everybody. And we'll see you again very, very soon.
Thank
Slán
you,
live.
all you gorgeous people.